It's awesome to be out, but because it's something just about the air of being around, you know, so much vegetation and plants that, like, you got to think the air's going to be so much more pure. And, you know, oxygen does play a very big part in our overall immune system. Wow, there's so many little beautiful spiders around. That's the funny thing. Like, everything that causes me fear, like for me, when something scares me, like spiders, I have to understand it, because through understanding, I gain sort of like